Today we are announcing the convergence of FIS's powerful and extensive API catalog with Leap's easy-to-use no-code application development platform. This is Leap Fully Loaded. For the first time ever, you are a drag and drop away from accessing the most powerful banking tech in the world via APIs and assembling your own cross-production offerings with the velocity and ease that you need in today's consumer environment. Accelerated by the coronavirus pandemic, more customers expect more bank services on their laptops and cell phones. With Leap, the timeline for mobile product deployment is tremendously compressed, collapsing year-long timeframes into just a few months. We make it fast and easy to assemble several FIS products, so you can create beautiful apps like these. You can customize and personalize your offerings because every bank is different and every bank customer is different. You can connect your FIS product data with leading marketing software and your financial spreadsheets. And it's easier than ever to consume and assemble external APIs, mesh them with your FIS customer data, and cross-promote services and reach out to prospects. Now bank professionals can efficiently customize and deploy apps without having to tap expensive coder resources. Here's how Leap makes it possible. When you come into the Leap design canvas, you see the microlearning tutorials that walk you through step-by-step how to use the platform, so anyone can leap in and quickly build. There's also a smart template system. When you click on the smart templates, you see this. Leap Fully Loaded includes your style guide, approved branding assets, photos, logos, fonts, and colors. The FIS Code Connect team works with us to set up all your API credentials correctly. And you have a lot of other capabilities on the right panel. Now that you are fully loaded with your designs and data, let's build an app. Here you are at my bank's Leap Fully Loaded screen in the light mode. You click on the Smart Template screens to build an account management and bank transfer mobile app. You line up the screens on the left and you hit Generate. Leap builds the mobile app. Now you can connect with FIS APIs by dragging and dropping data fields onto the screens where they go. And Leap's awesome emulator shows you how it looks and how it works. We start the app with a menu option to test the Finicity widget, which fires off multiple API requests, sending and confirming credentials, and receiving data securely. This is really happening in a dummy account that Finicity set up with us to test with FIS. In your app, a customer can search for their bank, they can log in to their FinBank account, they can see the amounts in their account funds, and they can select to transfer funds from one account to another. The transaction was successful. For deploying apps, it's easy and you have options. You can publish to the web at a particular link, or you can drag and drop pre-approved individuals, groups, or divisions onto the app, and they'll get an email invitation to view the app. You can also drag and drop your Active Directory settings onto an app for single sign-on. We've begun working now on how to generate native apps, so that may be coming soon. We have spoken to over 100 bankers. They're sharing their ideas that they have for dashboards and reports. Leap is the only no-code platform that allows for collaboration, and this wealth management collaboration tool for advisors takes advantage of that by helping wealth clients assess their risk tolerance. This report collects multiple sources of data to expedite government compliance. Leap drastically reduces the time it takes to generate this commercial portfolio analytics deep dive that was requested by the bank's chairman of the board. This drawing shows several of the features of Leap. Leap has data audit tools to make it simple and easy to check the accuracy of reports and dashboards. Spreadsheet formulas can be ingested, unlike any other platform, which reduces risk and speeds accounting and financial reporting. And several bankers have told us they want to connect to marketing and outreach software and connect it to their FIS system. So now we make it easier to do that with HubSpot, Constant Contact, Salesforce, and even Axiom consumer data, pulling it into Leap with full compliance with privacy regulations so you can connect your digital advertising and marketing efforts to your FIS system via Leap. Leap even interoperates with blockchains. If you don't have the budget to hire several designers and coders, your subject experts in the bank can build apps and reports. If you have ample design, develop, and deploy employees, then you can accelerate their capabilities and speed prototyping with subject experts or customers on Leap. As you have just seen, it's very easy to publish applications on Leap, so you will need governance in place for customer deployment. Now your bank can innovate, modernize, and catch up to your demanding customers who are moving at the speed of light, while maintaining the value, safety, and security of your FIS products, and without creating new technical debt. Speed without compromise, that's Leap. Please contact us to learn more at LeapXL.com.